Hello friends. Welcome to Itnaa Tasty है cooking with Elsa Nilaj, your daughter-in-law from Albania. आज की रेसिपी बहुत स्पेशल है. Albanian style baked chicken. It is made with yogurt. It is made with ande and rice. It's very healthy and it's very tasty. So let's check ingredients. We need boiled chicken, 5 eggs, half kg yogurt, salt, rice, melted butter, chicken stock, maida. Let's start making baked chicken. So first what we have to do, we have to use half kg, आधा kg yogurt. So let's add it here. This is homemade yogurt. I made. It's very nice and it is, very thick. Now we can use 5 eggs. Okay, we have to use 5. So let's start. It's very yummy and it is very fast. It doesn't take much time because baking always, you just prepare everything, you bake, and you can do even something else during that time. We have to mix a little bit. थोड़ा सा mix करो, okay? So now it's time to add salt. Actually, I have added a little salt पहले से when I boiled the chicken because even the chicken should get little salt. So do not add too much right now. इतना, ठीक है? इतना थोड़ा mix करो again. Now it's time to add towel. I'm going to add at least 3 spoons. Do not boil, it should be Eshte. 2. ये चम्मच थोड़ा छोटा है, so I'm adding 4. Okay? 4. Again mix it. Now I have boiled the chicken at least 6 whistles in cooker because it should be fully cooked. See, we have taken the leg piece of the chicken and I have kept the water here which we are going to use right now. 2 bowls of milk. Okay, so let's add this one. So fast, see? You just need to mix the ingredients together and it's ready. We have to add 4 spoons of maida and we have to mix all the ingredients together. We have mixed all the ingredients together and now it's time to use a pan. So as always, let's first use the butter. थोड़ा सा because it should not stick. Okay? थोड़ा सा. You can use oil, you can use whatever you want, but I'm going to use butter. Even on the side, proper. Ready? Now we are going to add the chicken here. Chicken is ready and it's time for baking. I have started the oven in 180 degrees and we have to bake it for at least 30 minutes. Let's go. Chalo chalo. पहले oven start किया मैं. So now it's time to bake. And we have to bake. Friends, chicken is ready and it is looking so yummy. Come and see how nice and how yummy it is looking. Chicken is looking yummy and now it's time to dish out. Chicken ready है and now it's time to taste. थोड़ा गरम है. बहुत 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 अच्छा है. Albanian recipe baked chicken बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. So please try करो and you can even send the photo of the dish there in the YouTube channel when there are the comments option. Okay, and one more suggestion, in case you are not sure that the rice will cook proper because there are different kind of types of rice in the market, what you can do is you can even steam or you can boil for just 5 minutes and then you can mix with other ingredients. And this was today's recipe, Albanian baked chicken. बहुत tasty है, so please try करो and we are going to meet next week. तब तक मेरा चैनल इतना टेस्टी है कुकिंग विद एल्सा नीलाज. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो and comment करो. And till then, नमस्ते, धन्यवाद.